I, just kind of the basics. I mean, I always wear a mask, and sometimes the homeowners wear a mask and sometimes they don't. Sometimes they invite me to take my mask off or encourage me to take my mask off, and I never do. So I think that's important, just to, convey the precautions we're taking, and we sanitize the samples and, try to practice social distancing. That can be challenging if the project involves a bathroom and there's 3 of us in looking at what they want to do in the bathroom, it's hard to be 6 feet apart. But, wearing the mask helps, and just taking all the precautions we can. As far as the best practices, one of the things I've really focused on is Google reviews. And in the way we get a lot of our business is through what we call digital sources, things like Home Advisor, Angie's List, Thumbtack. There's a variety of internet-based lead aggregators, they sometimes call them, where people go out to the internet looking for flooring, and Home Advisor will give them 5 or 6 different options, and we might be one of them. That's a great way to get started, but the more you can build a loyal following and people that are looking for my business specifically versus just flooring in general really helps. And one way I've been able to move away from digital leads more towards people just sort of reaching out because they like the sound and feel of our company is through Google reviews. And so that starts by taking really good care of customers, doing a good job on their project where they have something positive they're able to say at the end, and then encouraging them to leave a Google review. That has really, really helped us grow on our search engine optimization and show up higher in the search when people are looking for, if they're searching carpeting near me or flooring near me. The other thing I have learned through talking with various marketing experts is that you want to respond to those reviews as quickly as you can and respond to all the reviews. And so I work very hard to do that. And that I feel like that one thing, just working on the Google reviews, getting more Google reviews, and encouraging customers to review us, we've been able to move almost completely away from the digital sources, the Home Advisors and Angie's Lists of the world, and move really almost exclusively to people finding